Welcome students to the series of lectures of Intermediate Maths 1A. In this video session, I am going to discuss with you the remaining problems of section 3 of 6E exercise. Now, we have left over two more problems in exercise 6E of section 3, right? Those problems I'll be dealing with you today, and hope you have done all the problems from 6A to 6E. Those who have not watched those previous video lessons, just click on the channel playlist, you will be notified. The immediate previous video lesson of section 3, you can get it notified by clicking on the iCard. Now let's continue here. The 8th problem I have noted down. If neither A nor A plus B is an odd multiple of 90 degrees, and if m sin B equal to n sin 2A plus B, then prove that m plus n tan A equals to m minus n tan A plus B. Here given condition is, here m sin B equals to n sin 2A plus B. Given sign, we have to prove it in the form of tan. Okay, let's get started with the given thing, right? So, given m sin B equals to n sin 2A plus B, okay? So, if this is equals to this, then prove that m plus n is equal to tan. We have to prove, okay? Here, let us write it here in this form. If I write this m divided by n, here this n, and shift this to this side, it becomes sine of 2A plus B divided by sine of B, okay? So, we have written it in the form of the division part, okay? And here if you see, we will be applying the componendo and dividendo. Then we get here, by using, hope you all know the componendo and dividendo. By using the componendo and dividendo, we get so applying both sides, so that becomes m plus n divided by m minus n equals to, so sine of 2A plus B plus sine B divided by sine of 2A plus B minus sine of B. So, we have applied componendo, plus, minus and plus and minus. Now, here if you see to this part, here this part is clearly is there, m minus n, m plus n is there, but we have tan and tan. So, if you see this one, we can reduce them into transformations formulas. These are the plus formulas, we will reduce into the product formulas. We will transform it. So, when you are taking m plus n by m minus n, when you are taking here sine and sine, this becomes 2 sine A plus B by 2. So, let me write this. A is this, B is this. So, 2A plus B by 2. Okay. Cos A minus B by 2. So, 2A plus B minus B divided by 2. Even we do it for this denominator part, the transformation formula. So, this is sine A minus sine B, or sine C minus sine D we can take. So, 2 cos, we start with cos 2A plus B by 2, and sine of A minus B by 2. So, 2A plus B minus B by 2. Okay. If it is plus, we start with sine. If it is minus, we start with cos. Okay, that's the thing. Here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Here 2A, 2B. If you take 2 out, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Here the remaining will be just sine of A plus B. Here also plus B minus B goes off. 2 gets cancelled, just cos A. Here divided by, here cos A plus B and sine of A here. 2 goes off sine A. Here also, if you take 2 common, so 2 goes off, A plus B is remained here. So, this side we have m plus n by m minus n. So, this becomes m plus n divided by m minus n. You can write this as tan tan A plus B multiplied by cot A. Right. This cot A, if you bring this side, it becomes m plus n by m minus n. So tan A plus B. So cot A, I can write it as 1 by tan A. Right. Like this. Now cross multiply. So this becomes m plus n into tan of A equals to m minus n into tan of A plus B. That's what we have to prove. Right. Pause it and note it down. The ninth problem, if tan A plus B equal to lambda tan A minus B, then show that lambda plus 1 sine of 2B equals to lambda minus 1 sine of 2A. Now this is just the reverse way of the eighth problem. There we had sine given and we had to find tan. Now here the reverse way, that is tan given, we had to find the sine. So we will be using the same procedure, that is the componendo and dividendo method. Okay, with the given thing we will start. The given is tan of A plus B, tan A plus B, okay, equals to lambda tan A minus B. So we'll write it in the form of division, bring this to this side. So this becomes tan A plus B divided by tan A minus B. So here we get lambda divided by, if we can write 1 also, I can write. So here we will shift this because the answer is in sine. So we will write this in the form of sine and cos. So this becomes sine A plus B by cos A plus B divided by again sine A minus B by cos A minus B. If you bring it to the upper side, so that becomes multiplied by cos A minus B sine A minus B. So this is equal to lambda by 1. Now, so if you see this by divided by this. Now we will be applying the componendo and dividendo by using componendo and dividendo. We get here, this is m by n, likewise m plus n. So this becomes sine of A plus B cos A minus B plus this part cos A plus B and sine A minus B divided by m minus n. So here this minus this. So sine of A plus B cos A minus B minus cos A plus B sine A minus B. Right. To the right side also lambda plus 1 by lambda minus 1. So we were using the componendo and dividendo here. Now if you see this is in the form of the compound angles formula, sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So this is clearly sine A plus B, here sine A minus B, where A is A plus B and B is A minus B. Okay. So in that we will transform it. We will write, this is expansion form, we will write sine of A plus B. So this is sine of A plus B divided by sine of, this is A minus B, sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So A minus B, minus of A, minus into minus plus B. Right. So we can cancel off minus B here, minus A and minus A. Here this part we have lambda plus 1 by lambda minus 1. Here we get it as sine of, so is equal to is there, sine of 2A divided by 2B. Here you have sine 2A divided by sine 2B, right. Sine of 2B equals to lambda plus 1 and lambda minus 1. Here just cross multiply. So lambda minus 1 sine of 2A is equal to lambda plus 1 sine of 2B when you cross multiply. That is what we have to show. So this is what we have to show. So clearly here in both the cases of 8th and 9th, we have used the componendo and dividendo method. That is nothing but if it is m plus m by n is equal to a by b. So you are using componendo means m plus n divided by m minus n is equal to a plus b divided by a minus b. This is componendo and dividendo, which we have practiced many times. So this we were using it in both the cases. Hope you have understood both the problems, and please pause the video and note it down. With this we will be ending the exercise 6E. Now we will see in our next session with the new exercise, that is 6F. Thank you all.